Drowning in client communication chaos. Let's tame the client communication beast and unlock smooth collaboration using Basecamp. First, create a dedicated Basecamp project for each client. This keeps everything neatly organized and prevents crossed wires. Click the plus sign and select New Project, then name it something that clearly indicates who it is for example, a CME Corp website redesign. Next, establish clear task ownership using to-dos. Assign specific tasks to yourself, your team, and the client. When they have responsibilities, include deadlines. Be crystal clear on who's doing what and when. This reduces confusion and keeps the project on track. Use Campfire, Basecamp's chat feature, for quick questions and informal updates. This is like a casual water cooler for your project, but avoid critical decisions here. Document important discussions in the main message board. This ensures that key information is easily accessible and doesn't get lost in the chat shuffle. Leverage the messages section for announcements, meeting summaries, and sharing important documents. This is your central repository for all crucial project information. Tag relevant team members and clients to ensure they receive important updates. Manage client access by carefully controlling permissions. Decide what areas of the project each client can see. You might restrict access to internal team discussions or financial information. Tailor their access to the information they need and nothing more. By using these strategies, you'll keep clients informed, engaged, and happy, resulting in smoother projects and stronger relationships.